How to use edits by Instagram on laptop or PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search bluestacks.com and download this application. After that, search Edits and Instagram app and then click on Install. After that, it will be installed. After you have installed, simply open the application. After that, click on Log In and then log into your Instagram account by adding your email and password and pressing on Log In at the bottom. After you have done that, Edits will open up. In here, if you click on plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will be able to add a video or a photo and edit it. And this is how to use Edits by Instagram on laptop or PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.